Are you tired of dry and dull skin? What if I told you that there are simple secrets that anybody can incorporate into their skincare routine to make your skin hydrated and beautiful through fall and winter season? If you're over 40, this video is for you. In this video, I will be talking about my to-go secrets for the fall and winter season. Whether you are battling dryness, flakiness, wrinkles, I have you covered. We'll explore how to keep your skin hydrated, useful through the fall and winter months. Stay until the end and I will tell you about a very exciting new facial called Glacial that we just brought into Montclair and Hoboken Woodhouse Day Spas. I'm Ala Shapiro and this is the Spa Runner channel. Please subscribe to my channel, it helps me and my channel to grow on YouTube. My favorite brands are SkinCeuticals and Babor. You can purchase these products at any Woodhouse location. I have two locations, one in Montclair, New Jersey and another in Hoboken, New Jersey. All Babor products can be purchased online and I will provide the link in the description and the first comment. We're going to talk about your morning routine and your evening routine. So in the morning, it's important to start with a good cleanser. If your cleanser makes your skin feel tight and dry, that's not the right cleanser for you. My favorite cleanser that I currently use is Babor High Oil System. It's a system of two products. First, you have the oil-based cleanser, and then you have a booster that you use to take off the oil-based cleanser. Second step is vitamin C. Vitamin C is super important and you should really start your vitamin C in your 20s and you should always use it. This is the product that will help with brightness, with hyperpigmentation. It prevents any future aging, so everybody should be using it. My favorite is SkinCeutical E Ferulic, that's what I'm currently using. I also recommend other vitamin C's, and if you want to know the right vitamin C for your skin type, you should watch this video that I created previously. After vitamin C, you should be using some sort of serum, and all of us will have a different serum that we need. If you have hyperpigmentation, you need one serum. If you have dryness, you need a different serum. If you have acneic skin, you need a third serum. I will be making a video on different types of serums for different needs. So subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out that video. That will be a video in a few weeks. What I'm currently using a new serum from SkinCeutical. It's called P-TIOX. P-TIOX is a serum that is great for wrinkles and radiance. It is a peptide serum and everybody for anti-aging should be using peptides. Next, I have a little bit of discoloration on my nose, and you know why? I want to tell you. When you apply your vitamin C, when you apply your SPF, don't forget some areas. When I got this hyperpigmentation, I couldn't understand why I have it. Well, I have it because I was forgetting to put my product on my nose. That's so weird, but I did notice that when I was applying the products, I would apply them everywhere except this part, and this part got hyperpigmentation. So I'm working on this now. I'm using SkinCeuticals Discoloration Defense. This serum contains tranexamic acid, kojic acid, and niacinamide. These are all the ingredients you need to work on hyperpigmentation. When you purchase a serum that is for hyperpigmentation, don't expect results overnight. You need to use the serum morning and night for at least 12 weeks to see significant difference in your hyperpigmentation. So I have been using this serum and hoping that this will lighten up a little bit. After all your serums, and I just told you two serums that I use, you may be using different serums, it's important to have a good moisturizer. I am using Babor moisturizer. It's called Babor Stress Defense Mushroom Cream. The ingredients are made out of mushrooms. It's a very good light cream. It's for anti-aging. It has prebiotics and probiotics for your skin. I really like it. It's a light textured cream. I wouldn't use it at night, especially if you have dry skin, but it's really perfect for the daytime. And last step in your morning routine, and you can never ever skip it, starting from when you're a teenager, is a good SPF. I love SPF from SkinCeuticals. They have a range of different SPFs. And Babor, and you can watch a video on how to pick your SPF and why you need to use SPF in summer and in winter. right here. SPF I'm currently using is UV Defense Sunscreen SPF 30 from SkinCeuticals. It's not just an SPF, it's also a treatment. It helps with brightening, and I'm working this hyperpigmentation. So it's a great SPF. I recommend anybody for anti-aging. Before we go into an evening routine, I'm really curious about what are your tips, what works for you. So put those in the comments. And if you have any questions about skincare and some topics that you would like me to cover in the future, please put that in the comments as well. For the evening routine, you can use the same products as in the morning, but there is a difference. I'm using a strategy called skin cycling. Skin cycling, I made a video on skin cycling, you can watch it here for more details, but basically you alternate retinol one day, a peel another day, and then you take a break a third day, and then you repeat again, retinol, peel, you take a break. So every 3 days you start a new cycle. So again, we wash our face with a good cleanser that is good for makeup removal. If you wear makeup, high oil cleanser that we used in the morning is perfect for the evening as well. The only difference is in the evening I would do a double wash, do it twice, just because we go outside, we are exposing our skin to environmental factors, and also if you wear makeup you also need a double cleanse. So next step would be to apply a serum, hydrating serum, because we are preparing the skin for an active ingredient such as retinol or glycolic peel. Also I made the video on how to start using retinol because it's a little tricky, you can watch it here. So the serum that I use is from SkinCeuticals. It's called HA Intensifying Serum. It's purple. It's really hydrating. It makes your skin produce more hyaluronic acid, it plumps your skin, it hydrates your skin, and this is a perfect serum to prepare for using an active ingredient. So next would be, on the day that you use retinol would be retinol, on the day that you use a peel would be peel, and if you are taking a break, you're just going to skip this step of using an active ingredient. For retinol, I use Dr. Babo Pro Retinol. I sometimes use SkinCeutical Retinol. SkinCeutical has 3 different formulations, 0.3, 0.5, and 1. 1 is being strong, the strongest, 0.03 being the weakest. You should always start from weak to strong because skin needs time to adjust to retinol. So we just used retinol on one night. On the night when we use a peel, I use a new peel from SkinCeuticals. It's called Cell Cycle Serum. It's a really good peel. It's very gentle. I have sensitive skin and it works well for my skin. For other people, you may want to consider glycolic peel, salicylic peel, a combination of different peels. But if you have a sensitive skin, I do recommend Cell Cycle peel from SkinCeuticals. And of course, on the night that we are taking a break, we just skip this step. Next step, you can again apply a hydrating serum if you are using an active ingredient such as retinol or peel, just to give yourself more moisture, just to sandwich the retinol or peel in between hydrating product. And final step is a really good moisturizer. I prefer a rich moisturizer, and Babor has a really good moisturizer that I really like. It is called Dr. Babor Collagen Cream Rich. It's very thick and it's great for the night. I wouldn't be using it for the morning unless you are really dry and flaky. And we cannot forget our eye area. Right now I'm using Dr. Babor Pro Retinol Cream. Retinol is also good for your eye area. The eye area retinol is formulated with very weak retinol because you don't want to put strong retinol under your eye. It's going to irritate your eye area, but this one is gentle. It doesn't give me any issues. Like I promised at the beginning, I want to introduce the new facial we brought to the Woodhouse Day Spa. It's called Glacial Glide. It is performed by FDA cleared machine using cryo technology. This facial is recommended for people fighting anti-aging due to inflammation in your skin. So anything like redness, hyperpigmentation, and even skin tone is really good to use this facial for. This facial is performed in 50 and 80-minute increments. It is one of our advanced facials. You can also add this as an enhancement to any of the facials we have. If you enjoyed this video, you will certainly enjoy this next video next.